Hi there, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can sing high, clear notes without your voice cracking and breaking. So we're talking about this kind of pop ballady type voice. So singers like Celine Dion, Whitney Houston, Ariana Grande, Sean Smith, and K-pop singers would use this type of sound as well, and Taylor Swift, she uses this technique as well. So for all of you Swifties out there, this is going to help you as well. Oh, before I forget, make sure that you hit the like button, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get all of my future videos, and check out the videos that are already existing on my channel. I've got hundreds of videos here and I'm sure I've got something for you. There are three things that we really need to remember that are very, very important for getting this kind of sound. And actually, these three things are very important in all types of singing. So to make it easy for you, I'm going to call them the 3 R's. So they all begin with R. The first is relaxation. So it's really important to relax your shoulders, your neck, your stomach. As we sing up in pitch, as we get higher in pitch, we want to remain relaxed. There is no pushing at all when it comes to singing, ever. We should never ever feel like we're pushing to reach any notes, whether they're high, mid or low. The second thing to remember is respiration. This is breathing, okay, but I wanted to make it 3 R's. So respiration. So we've got relaxation, respiration. So breath control is really important when it comes to singing. And when it comes to high notes, controlling the air that comes out, so not pushing the air so that we don't have a lot of volume and we're not pushing and forcing, that is really going to help you to sing all notes, but particularly high notes as well. And the third thing to remember when we're singing is resonance. This means where the sound is being made, where the sound is resonating. So we have different cavities in our bodies where sounds are made, and understanding this is really going to help you with those high notes. For the type of singing we're going to be doing in this video and the exercises we're going to be doing, we're going to be using pharyngeal and head resonance. So the sounds are going to be made back here, not in the front of our throats. We are not using any muscles here in the front to make sounds. And then it's going to be made in the head cavities as well. So you'll feel it happening. You may get a little bit lightheaded, so just keep an eye on that. Stop if you need to. But first of all, of course, we're going to warm up. We're going to use a lip bubble and we're going to start down here. So for those of you with lower voices, you can start here. If you have a mid-range voice, you may also be able to start here. You can always sing lower than you think, okay? But we don't ever want to sing higher than we can. We don't want to push the range because that causes vocal damage. Now, if you do have a high voice, for example, if you're a high mezzo or if you're a soprano, you may just want to wait a little bit until we get to where you are. But we'll start with a lip bubble. Here we go. Keep going. I'll slow down a bit for you. as low as you can. Really getting those vocal cords working and warmed up. And relax. Next we're going to sing the tongue trill. It's a slightly different pattern, so make sure you're listening. Here we go. Remember not to push those high notes. Relaxed. Let your voice do what it needs to do. Keep going. And back down. Remember to breathe. Warming up the whole of our range. Always sing lower than you think, remember? Last one. And relax. So this is head voice singing, and your head voice might feel and sound weaker than mine. Now, I've been singing for a really long time. It will come with practice and it will come with experience. Do not force, I cannot iterate this enough, do not force the powerful sound. It will come with technique and it will come with practice. It starts with having a good solid breath control. I do have a video on breath control. I'll link it in the description just because I want to save time for this video, and that will help you with this type of singing. And what we're going to do is yawn. So you may need to pause the video and yawn, practice a few times yawning. And then once you've got the yawn, you're going to add a sound onto it, like a sigh. But it has to be a real yawn, otherwise it won't work. So it's that chorally type sound, almost classical. Don't worry about the vibrato, that wobbly sound that makes it sound nice. We don't want that yet. We want to get the technique and then we add the nice bits after. So we're going to open our throat, yawny feeling. It might feel a bit Kermit the Froggy, Mr. Beanie, but it's that chorally feeling. So we're going to sing. Oh. Notice my mouth is nice and wide, so it's not oh, and I'm not making that Kermity sound with my lips. I'm not oh, and it feels yawny and Kermit the Froggy. So here we go, 5, 6, 7, and oh, oh, oh. Sing softly as you go up. Oh, oh, oh. If it's quiet, let it be quiet. You don't have to do this loudly. It will come in time. Only sing as high as you can. You can usually sing a little bit higher than you think. Make sure your neck and shoulders are relaxed. Yawny, yawny, Kermit the Frog. And back down. Nice and relaxed. Quietly if you need to. Loving singing. Loving the strange sound that your voice is making. Last one. Now, if you are serious about singing, I recommend that you take my free 5-day course. You'll find that in the pinned comment or in the description. All you need to do is click the link, pop your details in, and I'll send that directly to your inbox. If it doesn't come to your inbox, then check your spam and junk mail, pop it back into your main inbox, and make sure that you make me a contact, and you should receive all of those lessons directly to your inbox then. And we're going to do one more exercise. This is going to help with your vocal control. This is a slower exercise. Don't try and make it sound singy. We don't want we don't want that. Nice and straight, sliding between the notes. So it's also not sliding up and down. Legato. This is called smoothly. Legato. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and slide. Kermit the Frog, yawny, yawny. nice and open. Kind of the frog. Yawn, yawn, yawn. Yawn, 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 yawn. Nice and gently. No pushing on these high notes. Let the yawn do the work for you. And back down. Keep going. Yawn, yawn, yawn. A bit loud, that one. So, still yawning, even though we're singing low. Nice and relaxed. Oh. Jazz chords. Last one. So I trust this has helped you to understand more about how to sing high notes. If you're enjoying this and it's helping and you would like to take one-to-one singing lessons with me, I do have a couple of spaces available. All you need to do is go to the description, click where it says book a singing consultation. We'll spend about 30 minutes together. We'll have a chat about where you are now with your singing, where you'd like to be. I'll have a listen to your voice. I'll give you some feedback and let you know how I can help you. And we could be working together within a couple of weeks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!